I'm going to break it down for you exactly what happened. The showdown in Sansad today. Parliament premises really turned into a high-voltage political place of drama as the BJP and the Congress had simultaneous protests targeting one another over Union Home Minister Amit Shah's remarks on Baba Saheb Ambedkar in the Parliament. MPs from both camps came face-to-face, all holding placards bearing images of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, accusing the other side of disrespecting him, and that's when this happened.
Unprecedented scenes outside Parliament. BJP and Congress MPs holding placards came face-to-face at the Makar Dwar, the entry into Parliament on Thursday. The Congress lawmakers were protesting against Home Minister Amit Shah's comments, which they claimed insulted Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. While the BJP MPs were protesting alleged insult of Ambedkar by Congress. Two BJP MPs, Pratap Sarangi and Mukesh Rajput, were injured in the melee. Sarangi was injured on the forehead. He was taken to the hospital where he got up to 5 stitches.
राहुल गांधी एक एमपी को धक्का लगा, मेरे ऊपर गिर पड़ा और मैं नीचे गिर गया।
किसने धक्का मारा? राहुल गांधी ने?
हाँ, राहुल गांधी ने।
राहुल गांधी ने धक्का मारा?
राहुल गांधी।
कौन सी जगह पे सर? सर किस जगह पे? सर किस जगह पे? किस जगह पे?
सीढ़ी के ऊपर मैं खड़ा हुआ था और राहुल गांधी ने आकर के एक एमपी को धक्का लगाया, वो मेरे ऊपर गिर पड़ा और मैं।
कहाँ चोट लगी सर आपको? कहाँ चोट लगी सर? एक बार दिखा दीजिए।
High drama followed as Rahul Gandhi walked up to an injured Sarangi, where BJP MP Nishikant Dubey confronted him.
आपको शर्म नहीं आती है क्या राहुल? क्या शर्म नहीं आती है? क्या शर्म नहीं आती है? गुंडागर्दी करते हो, बूढ़े को गिरा दिया जाता है। इतना कौन सा?
BJP MP Mukesh Rajput, who allegedly fell on Pratap Sarangi, backed his colleague's claim.
राहुल गांधी सीधे चढ़े आए, जबकि किनारे से भी निकल सकते थे, किनारे से फ्लैट से भी रास्ता था, लेकिन हम लोगों के पीछे आए और पीछे राहुल गांधी धक्का देते हुए ऊपर बढ़ रहे, तो धक्का आया, हम लोग पीछे साइड में एकदम गिर गए।
Rahul Gandhi denied the charge. The Congress shared videos on social media claiming it was Mallikarjun Kharge who was pushed. The party president also wrote a letter to Rajya Sabha chairperson Jagdeep Dhankar making the same charge.
ये पार्लियामेंट की एंट्रेंस है, इसमें मैं अंदर जाने की कोशिश कर रहा था तो बीजेपी के एमपी जो थे वो मुझे ऐसे रोकने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, धकेल रहे थे और मुझे धमका रहे थे, तो वो हुआ है। हाँ किया है मगर ठीक है कोई मतलब धक्का मुक्की से हमें कुछ होता नहीं है, मगर ये एंट्रेंस है पार्लियामेंट हाउस की।
एकदम शांतिपूर्वक प्रोटेस्ट हुए, कितने दिनों से चल रहे हैं, रोज 10:30 से 11। आज पहली बार इन्होंने प्रोटेस्ट किया, सबको रोक दिया और उसके बाद धक्का मुक्की और ये गुंडागर्दी। और अब सिर्फ अमित शाह जी की खाल बचाने के लिए ये अब इन्होंने साजिश शुरू की है कि भैया ने किसी को धक्का मारा, ये वो। मेरी आंखों के सामने आप सब ने देखा होगा, खड़गे जी को धक्का मार के जमीन पे गिराया।
In the Rajya Sabha, BJP MP from Nagaland, Phangnong Konyak, complained to Dhankar that Rahul Gandhi shouted at her.
It was a peaceful protest. I was standing outside. There were a lot of people. Then Sri Rahul Gandhi ji just came in front of me, very close proximity. I felt uncomfortable. And then he started shouting at me, which I did not like, because there is a certain way the thing should be done.
I received a communication from Konyak, Honorable Member Parliament, and she has met me in my chamber also. I am looking into it. She was literally in tears. According to her, she could never believe that as a lady member, she would have to suffer so much at the hands of another member parliament. I am looking into it.
The BJP filed a police complaint against Rahul Gandhi. The Congress too filed a complaint against BJP. Meanwhile, Mallikarjun Kharge and TMC MP Derek O'Brien have moved privilege motions against Amit Shah over his remarks made while speaking on Congress ignoring Ambedkar that triggered the entire showdown. With Piyush Mishra, Bureau Report, India Today.
The BJP goes on to file an FIR against Rahul Gandhi under sections 109, attempt to murder, 115, voluntarily causing hurt, 117, voluntarily causing grievous hurt, 121, causing hurt to deter a public servant from his duty, 351, criminal intimidation, and 125, endangering safety of others. Serious sections leveled against him. He's got to face this legally. The man who was accompanying senior BJP leaders like Anurag Thakur and Basuri Swaraj while filing this FIR speaks exclusively to India Today's Piyush Mishra. Let's hear it from BJP MP Hemang Joshi.
Yeah. I am right now joined with Dr. Hemang Joshi. He's BJP MP and also eyewitness to the entire incident where the ruckus happened and following which Pratap Sarangi got injured. Hemang, what actually had transpired today in the morning?
It was a very unfortunate incident where BJP MPs were trying to protest very peacefully in the Makardwar, and the whole of the Makardwar entrance, out of which 70% entrance was where we were protesting and 30% entrance were dedicated to for those MPs who want to go to inside the house peacefully. So when Mr. Rahul Gandhi and his team came, security people guided them to go from the passage, but he chose to barge to our protesters, and the way everything was happened, it is all in the news. But officially, we have lodged a complaint. In the complaint, everything Mr. Anurag Thakur already has, explained that whatever the thing was. And from my side, with Anurag Thakurji and Basuri Swarajji, we have submitted the application to Parliament Street DCP, and we are hoping that the legal department, police department and our parliament security will take the necessary course of action.
What all have you mentioned in your letter? What kind of actions you want Delhi police to take?
We just want to take law to take its own course. We just want to everything should be gets investigated. We also we were furious the way Mr. Sarangi and Mr. Mukesh got hurt. We even called Mr. Gandhi to see what he has done. But the way he has replied, that was really inhuman.
We can see also the video in which you were seen confronting Rahul Gandhi. What did Rahul say when you confronted him?
He just told that kuch nahi hua. The person who is bleeding from his head, he told kuch nahi hua. Unhone mujhe dhakka diya. Do you think Mr. Pratap Sarangi will go and push him? I don't want to comment on it.
This is what Rahul said, that kuch nahi hua.
Kuch nahi hua. Or Sarangi ji ne mujhe dhakka diya hoga.